Understanding the difference between may and might can feel a bit tricky, but once you grasp the nuances, it can really sharpen your writing. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about may. This word is often used to express permission or a high possibility. For example, if you say, "You may leave the table," you're granting permission. It's a formal way to say it, and it sounds polite. When you're discussing possibilities, may suggests that something is likely to happen. For instance, "It may rain tomorrow" indicates a good chance of rain. Now, on to might. This one is a bit more subtle. Might is often used to express a lower possibility or to refer to something that could have happened in the past. For example, if I say it might rain tomorrow, I'm suggesting that while it's possible, it's not very likely. It leaves a little room for doubt. When you're talking about past situations, might comes into play as well. For instance, "She might have gone to the party" implies that there's a chance she did, but we're not sure. Here's a tip to help you remember. Think of may as a stronger word, like a confident friend who's sure about their plans. Might, on the other hand, is like that friend who's a bit more indecisive, weighing their options. When it comes to asking for permission, both can be used, but there's a catch. You'd say, "May I use your phone?" to ask for permission, and it sounds more formal and polite. If you say, "Might I use your phone?" it sounds a bit old-fashioned and less direct. So when you're giving permission, stick with may. Another useful trick is to remember that may is often associated with present tense situations, while might is linked to past perfect tense. If you're discussing something that has already happened, might is your go-to. For example, "I might have forgotten to call you" suggests that in the past there was a chance I didn't call. To wrap it up, practice makes perfect. Try writing sentences using both may and might to see how they fit into different contexts. The more you use them, the more natural it will feel. Remember, may is for permission and high possibility, while might leans towards lower probability and past scenarios. With these tips in mind, you'll be using may and might like a pro in no time.